In this video, I will show you how to use AI to write content in 20 plus languages. Now, the reason how I'm doing this video is many people are blogging in different languages. So the best way to do with the AI, we can use the ChatGPT. It has a language. You can write a 500 words. So blog on how to type a Thai in Hindi. So it just goes on, yeah, you can see that, right? So it is writing. Let me stop that, right? So it is writing, right? So instead, what you can do is you can use if you're running an automation. So this only applies for blog automation. I mean, you can also produce an individual articles, but I'm running a blog automation 24/7. I don't even touch the WordPress. So further, if you want to change the language, you can simply input a keyword, and here go to the configuration, and no, not the configuration. So in the input, click on edit, and here content, select the language, and you have all the languages right here. Okay, so there's a tons of, I think it's over 60 plus languages, and then select it. So I'm just selecting the US and click on save changes and start producing an article.